moving. What's this?
No.
Very good. This is the nose. So not only do rabbits in nature always listen with their ears, but they're always wiggling their nose because they're smelling. So let me see. Everyone, wiggle your nose. Let me see you wiggle your nose. Can you wiggle your nose? And if you have to use your finger, you can wiggle your nose too with your hand. Yeah, very good. And rabbits' noses wiggle all the time because they're always, even, here's something cool. Even when they're sleeping, rabbits wiggle their nose. Never ever stops. Can you imagine sleeping and wiggling your nose too? That's crazy. Now, do you think Smokey is soft? Do you think he's very soft? What do you think? Yeah? Okay. Good. Soft, huh? Yeah.
Very soft.
Soft, huh? Nice. Soft? Very soft, huh? Very good. So what do you think? You guys see? You know it's really cold outside, right? And you guys all came here and want to touch?
And also wind.
Want
Oh,
to touch? Good job. Very good. So soft. Yeah.
Oh, let's watch time to go outside.
Very
Go
soft.
outside.
Nice, Colin. You want to touch? Okay. They go to sleep for the whole winter. You won't see him walking around in the snow. Through Christmas tree. They miss Christmas and everything. They only come out during Easter. Exactly. Can you believe it? Oh, look. Willie's moving his head a little bit. Now look. If Willie gets scared, we're not going to scare him. We've got to stay quiet and stay seated, right? If Willie gets scared, if he was walking in the woods, guess what? His legs, his head, his feet, and the back, and his tail all would curl in tight. Very good. Very different from Smokey, right? Good job. Well, at the end, we're going to show you where the bathroom is, and everyone will be able to wash their hands. Very good. There you go. Carol, very good. Good. How's it feel? Anyone smelling the air? I don't smell anything. Do you smell anything? No? Okay, so now everyone, I want to hear you smell the air. I want to hear everyone smell with their noses now. Oh, much better, right? Yeah, you stick your tongue out. And your little tongue. Oh, very good over there. Good job. All right. Okay, slither back to your seat. Have your butt find where your special seat is. Where? I'm like, there he is. Oh my God. Yes, this. Now this is, can everyone tell me what this is? Is this a snake? Very good. It's a lizard. Okay? Now, we don't have. Oh, you want it? Yeah. So is it soft and smooth like the snake? No.
The camera?
So, can anyone tell me what you think lizards like to eat?
Very
Good.
So valuable.
From what?
Yeah.
Did it come from an elephant?
I think so.
Very good.
Where did the feathers come from?
What
What about a bird? A blackbird?
Nice.
Charlie, give us your count, please. How many?
Very good. Good job. Oh, it touched you. It touched you. Very good. Okay, so, ready? I need everyone to be perfectly quiet.